Hello. Welcome to my latest video. Here I am making a ceramic sculpture of my dog Angel. Once I have the basic shape, I begin to add details such as the eyes. When I am happy with my form, I move on to adding details like the fur. To achieve this detail, I begin by scoring the main form. Then I apply some slip, which will help me add more clay to the body. Then I make small balls of clay and attach them to the main body. When I have attached enough of the extra clay to the body, I use a pin tool to score the clay and create a fur-like texture. I continue this process until the whole body is covered in the fur-like texture. Here I am hollowing out the solid form. This is done to make the piece lighter. It also lowers the risk of the piece cracking or exploding in the kiln. Once all the fine details are completed, the next step is to refine the eyes and the nose to try and make them look more realistic. The piece was bisque fired. This is done so the colored glazes can be applied. The colored glaze was applied. I used a gloss black glaze. I wanted to match the color of my dog. Then it's left to dry before the piece is fired to stoneware. Which is 1100C, then it's left in the kiln to cool. Hope you like this piece as much as I do. Please like and subscribe.